If you are that person who loves to eat, a big plate, a big food, you see, you don't need to eat less. That's what I'm talking. You just need to eat the right amount. That is what we call a portion control. Yes, it might look weird, but portion control is one of the simplest and the very most effective way to manage your weight. It really improves your digestion, and also it avoids overeating without really feeling hungry. Yeah, at some point in life, we all love to eat a lot, but at some point it's very important to control everything. One option is your hands as a guide. You see, these hands, maybe you can think of your palm, add the portion for your protein. Your cupped hand, maybe add the portion for your carbs, for your carbohydrates. Maybe your two hands should be the portion for your vegetables. Your thumb may be the portion for healthy fats. You see, this could be one option. I don't know if you have other options, you can share me in the comment section. You see, and the other option is eat slowly, because when you eat too fast, you see, your brain doesn't have time to recognize fullness, not only portion control, but also the way you eat, because slow eating helps you to stop at the right time. Use smaller plates, because a small plate naturally reduces how much you serve. Then your brain still feels satisfied. Try to serve once. Avoid going back for seconds, for a second time. Again, it's very interesting. But if you still feel hungry, after 15 minutes, you can take water. So one important and good option is just balance your plate. Vegetables, a quarter with the protein, a quarter with healthy carb, and a few of maybe healthy fats. This keeps your energy steady, and also it controls your hunger. So you see, portion control should not be seen about restriction. It's just about a balance. Remember, colleagues, it's a journey of reset. It's a journey of making sure this body is maintained. You know, we started by talking about wellness. We started with an agreement that this is a journey of wellness. We need to feel well. We don't need to be on medicines. How? One important thing is to correct our feeding. 90% of our health depends on what we eat. One easy way to prevent or to protect ourselves from non-communicable disease like diabetes, hyperlipidemia, hypertension, ischemic disease, we'll come to all that. It's just by correcting the way we eat. See you in the next video.